Let me give you 4 of the gems of wisdom that Sir Alex Ferguson is mentioning in his book. Number 1, you cannot win a game with 11 goalkeepers. You cannot have identical talents and expect to win a game. Treat every individual as the unique individual he or she is. Number 2, in football, 8 players, not 11 players, win games. It is impossible in a single day to get all your players playing at the best of their performance. So if you have 75 to 80% of your employees or your team acting in a supreme way, then you are on your way to having a winning team. Gem number 3, don't just talk, listen. God gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth, and we should use them in that proportion. Listen twice and talk once. Listen to our employees' concerns, listen to our employees' worries, but listen also to our employees' suggestions. And last but not least, manage individuals, don't manage teams. Teams are comprised of individual performances, so treat each and every individual like the unique individual he or she is.